Welcome back to Smilez Dishez. Smile, you're in food heaven. Please click the subscribe button, the like button, and share our videos. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious chocolate mousse cake. So stay tuned. Heat saucepan on medium-low heat. Add your butter and chocolate chips to the pot. Stir constantly until chocolate melts. You want to always make sure that you're stirring constantly so you do not burn your chocolates. So each ingredient that you add, you have to keep on stirring. Add your egg yolks one by one while whisking constantly. And you want to cook this for about 30 seconds, constantly whisking, to ensure that your eggs cook smoothly and do not curdle. Add heavy cream and vanilla, whisk until fully incorporated, then place chocolate sauce in a separate bowl to allow the sauce to cool down while you prepare for your next step. In a mixing bowl using a whisk attachment, add your egg whites and sugar and mix on medium-high speed for a few minutes until you form stiff peaks. Your mixture will stand stiff like so, and this is how you know you have stiff peaks. In a mixer, we're going to add our heavy cream and sugar and Baileys. Now, adding your Baileys is totally optional, but we're gonna mix this on high speed until you get soft peaks. So this is how you know you have soft peaks, when your mixture falls off your whisk attachment. This step is very important, so you want to add your egg whites to your chocolate sauce and fold your egg whites in small batches by using a spatula in a half circular motion, like you can see. This will require patience, and you will continue to fold until your mixture is fully incorporated. If you are feeling the urge to stir instead of folding, continue to fold so you can get that great volume in your chocolate mousse instead of it being flat. I'm going to add my heavy cream, and you're going to repeat the same step just as you did for your egg whites. In a small glass, add your chocolate cake and drizzle some chocolate syrup on top. Then add your chocolate mousse and whipped cream on top and set in the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight to set your chocolate mousse. So I have this cute heart-shaped pipette to add our Baileys to our dessert. I will have the link below on where you can order this cute heart-shaped pipette. This is a great dessert to wow your guests at dinner. Trust me, guys, they will love it. So let's take a dive in and try this delicious chocolate mousse cake. That's so delicious. Go ahead, guys, give this a try. Recipe is on my website in the link below, and tag Smilez Dishez. I would love to see your beautiful desserts.